All right, guys, today I'm working on a 2012 Dodge Durango with the 3.6 V6 Pentastar in it. We are doing a thermostat housing and thermostat change. So as you can see, I've got the air inlet taken off already. Pretty simple. There's that one electrical connection there, and then there's a worm clamp holding it on the throttle body, and then one worm clamp on the air box. Got this clamp removed already. I'm getting ready to remove this hose. And I do believe that's just a 10 mil. So I think it's just two 10 millimeter bolts. Let me grab the new one out here. So here's the new housing with thermostat from Napa. HT203-328. Housing, thermostat, new rubber. So should be a pretty easy repair. Should be cooled off for the most part. It's been sitting for a while. And it's just green coolant. I wasn't sure if these used any kind of special coolant like Chevy likes to use. It'd be cool if I could cap this somehow. I don't think I'm going to be able to, though. Maybe. I'll just leave that chill like that for a minute. Well, I guess we're just going to let her dump. What?
I said you post-spray a-hole. Nope.
No.
Are you from Toledo?
Maybe.
What do you discover?
That I'm going to have to hose your floor down.
What? What's wrong, dog?
Where do you want this?
Somewhere where I'm gonna get all over my shit, dog. You.
Hurry up for it.
Go.
Where
you want to go?
I don't know. It's you. You tell me.
Get the hell out of here. I ain't talking out of my water. I just got this one.
We can only hope.
I just got this one.
Hey, grab me some paper towels so I gotta take my gloves off.
I just got this water, dog. I'm gonna get the antifreeze in.
Sweet.
No. It's like 42 waters today. Not sweet.
I mean, if you got antifreeze in it, it'd make it sweet.
Deader than hell. What's going on here? You getting shit all over my ride?
Huh? Well, I guess I don't have my ratcheting 10 mil in my bag, so we're just gonna use a deep well and hope that works better. Oh, jeez, is this gonna come off here? Come on. Ooh. What?
Christian name.
Oh, yeah? Pretty sure I'd probably be a little upset with my parents if my name was just... I said I'd probably be a little pissed at my parents if they named me 10mm ratchet wrench.
Oh!
What'd you do?
Dropped this little thing of rags. There's all this water in this thing, dog.
Okay, good and snug. So now, get the hose jammed back on there. Kind of wipe up some of our mess a little bit so the belt ain't throwing coolant all over. Get our clamp back in the same spot that it was, and there we go. A little too far. Okay, right back to where she was. Alright guys, so what I'm doing next now on these, there is a bleeder screw here on top of the thermostat housing. I've got that loose, and I'm going to be adding coolant to the radiator until I see it start to come out of here a little bit, and then we'll put it back down, tighten it up, and go for a drive and see what it does. Oh yeah?
What?
You said oh yeah?
You don't think he told me nothing? What's that noise, dog?
Alright, we're starting to get a little bit fluid.
That's the bleeder screw?
Yeah.
I told you, dog.
You didn't say shit. Lie to the people like that.
What?
Don't lie to the people like that.
I'm just telling you the truth.
Okay. Make sure this is good and tight. Get that off.
Get the can around my feet. What?
What?
There's these people on TV that are all fighting.
I'm gonna go ahead and get this intake tube stabbed back in. Just get your tab in between the two plastic tabs, make sure it's pushed on. This up with the throttle body, push it on, and you got your one electrical connector here. which I would assume that's mass airflow. Screwdriver. Get these tightened up and we'll back her out and we'll see what she does. If it does start to overheat, I'll go back into that bleed screw on the thermostat housing and we'll give it a crack until the air escapes. And then we'll check coolant level and hopefully be able to get this thing dropped off to the owner. If anybody that watches this has one of these Durangos with a 3.6, this is a 2012 or 11, one of those. And you've experienced like the extended crank on start. So what this one does is it started, died, then extended crank, wouldn't do nothing. And so basically you had to like shut the vehicle off, turn it back on, and then after like the third or fourth try, it would stay running. To me, it seems like a fuel issue, but I don't know. There are no, from what I can see, I don't see any ports to test pressure. So, if anybody's dealt with that, let me know. Alright guys, I think we got her going. Nothing is leaking, nothing's overheating so far. I'm going to take it for a test drive here in a minute. Got heat on the passenger side, but it's blowing kind of cool here on the driver's side, so I'm assuming there's a blend door problem going there. But appreciate everybody for watching. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up, make sure you hit that sub button, and I will catch you in the next one.